Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the download folder location on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome, and you want to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side now, you want to select the Downloads button. And then underneath downloads where it says location, select the change button. And then you can go ahead and locate a different folder directory you want to save as a downloads folder going forward. Select the folder button, and then it should reflect it down here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.